Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to copy a presentation link in Google Drive. This updated method will ensure you can share your presentations effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you're using a computer, navigate to drive.google.com in your web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized. Next, find the presentation you want to share. Scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. Once you've found your desired presentation, look for the three dots next to it. This icon represents more options. Now click on those three dots. A menu will appear with various options related to that file. Among these options, you'll see Copy Link. This is what you need to select to proceed. After clicking Copy Link, Google Drive will automatically copy the link to your clipboard. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that the link has been copied successfully. Now that you have the link, you can share it with anyone you want. Simply paste it into an email, a chat message, or wherever you need to send it. Just remember that if your presentation is set to private, those who receive the link may need permission to view it. To ensure everyone can access your presentation easily, consider adjusting the sharing settings. Right-click on the presentation file again and select Share. Here, you can change the settings from Restricted to Anyone with the link. This way, anyone who has the link can view your presentation without needing additional permissions. And there you have it. You've successfully copied and shared a presentation link in Google Drive. This simple process allows for seamless collaboration and sharing of your work with others. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on using Google Drive and other productivity tools. Happy sharing!